Well, we're out here at the Jessup Tractor Pull today. Here watching JT the Ag Guy. We're gonna have a very special guest on this video. You'll see him pretty soon. He's been on here many times before, and same for me on his channel. Yeah, gonna be a good pull.
And welcome back, guys, to JT the Ag Guy.
And
I am the Canfield Farmer, and I am here to guide you today to the Tractor Pull tractor selection.
And I'm JT the Ag Guy. I'm hungry.
Let's get to this.
Yeah.
56 Farmall.
Oh, look at that Forever Red.
656, just like Grandpa had.
Oh yeah, that's right. You know, I gotta say, I love it when guys have paintings on the side of their tractors.
I like that, dude. Forever Red, that's good.
Yeah, that is good.
That's the same brand as the wheels that are on my truck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, also, IH weights. It's tractor pulling guys take the IH weights for themselves because they're just better than any other kind of weight you can get. Deer.
Yeah, the IH weights are hard to get because, or when you do find them, they're expensive because everybody wants them.
Exactly.
That's why we only have 6 of them.
Exactly.
And those 6 of them are staying with us. I mean, no.
We got a couple of tractors over here that are the right shade of green. Those are the Olivers. That's the wrong shade of green right there. We don't like John Deere around here. That would suck.
Marquis going to be doing the flagmanship out here. We got a hell of a crew of guys here with East Central Iowa Pullers Association. Well, back in a moment. I'm liking what I see. 313 and 16. 442 non-cut tires only. No cut tires in this class. No P-pumps. Factory style drawbar hits only. No aftermarket hitches. And the 3,000 RPM limit. Gene Arnold, we're just pulling out of Walker, Iowa. I have not paid that close attention to that, but that's very good that you know that. I guess I haven't paid that close attention. But we have one of your locals right here, Wesley Thoma, out of Gillingville, Iowa. The Little Pizza. That tractor feels good, and whoever spends the most would win years ago, and I've seen it. I'm kind of dating myself, but I can guarantee you one thing, it used to be quite Western years ago in the farm division. Alright, we're going to get going again with a 13,000 pound farm stock tractor. They actually took a weight off of the equalizer kit, so we're resetting it completely. Nolan Craig here is our test puller here for the Cascade in the 1155 amp. The 1066 for Farmersburg, Iowa, Andrew Sherman. Talking to you about, listen to this thing. I just love the looks of it, the sound. .9 299 on the Redneck Rescue. Hey, that don't look too bad. 360 hot stock class, your local tractor goes 2 years old for Watertown. $313.67, 100 total. Here comes the final four in the 360 hot stock class. It's Ron Niemeyer out of Nashville at 3:38 to distance to beat. Well, there's some power that's required. Been a couple of weeks since we've seen the Zenses. They were in Cuba City and then haven't been with us, so great to have them back to put on a show for you here tonight. Larry Bogus out of Charles City, Iowa, the Blue Thunder truck. He's been in the champion circle before. He knows what to do with that old 74 GMC. Green light to green light. The Tier Attitude Tractor, Newton's got her going on. Don Newton, 361.04 the distance to be for Tier Attitude. Howard Turner, LS. Very long time. Full of modified first though, bright, stunning for New Hampshire. Twin turbo Chevrolet's out there. He calls the tractor playtime. That's too bad, too. He was having trouble getting his clutch to fully engage.
Yeah, it's not motor though. That's pretty cool.
He would have another shot at that. I question whether he will. I think we got some other fluids coming out of the ground there as well. Bet he needs a tub. And they do have their tow vehicle out there, I do believe. Mr. Sullivan, Kyle Sullivan, Manchester, Iowa. Silent partner unknown. That gets a little spooky, did you last year, but he finished overall third in the points last year and does a very good job with that machine. Looks, however, like we're going to pull modified speed. 73.43. Dan Wiedemeyer there out of Waverly. Our fifth puller is Kirk Mockenstead. He lost his little girl in an accident. He says it's no macho day, but I call it Dandy Pandy, sweet as candy. That track's hooking up over there. Man by the name of Larry Peterson bought this black 1066 and made it look the color that it is. It fell off a train when it was brand new.
So that one fell off the train, the black one.
Had a bit of a rough go of it in Davenport, much better with a third place finish in Allison. First official puller of the 9,500-pound hot farm is Bart. There, that'll be an official distance. Points leader here, Barry. Chris Mangelson, Charlie Eberhardt bought this thing in about 1990. She'd seen the inside of Louisville, Kentucky.
Oh.
This thing has traveled a lot of distances on a pulling track. As I said, it's never, ever, ever been used for a day of work in the field. The father-son team. They call it Turn Me Loose. It's a neat old ride. It's a lot of history. From all the way back in 1980, Carson Mendelson, Charlotte, Iowa. Brings her to her knees and put him in second place. Pretty good for his first time, there's no doubt about that. It all looks good in high heels, they say. But I'll tell you what, it's not easy. We got some 2.6 diesel trucks gonna be in the house tonight. They're gonna put on a nice show. One more in the Super Farm division weighing in at 9,300 pounds. Limited to a 640 cube.
All right, boys, here we go. Well, what do you think of the tractor pull so far?
Pretty awesome. They got a great selection of tractors, especially a good selection of IH tractors.
Yeah, the IH tractors are.
The Olivers are amazing.
What's been your favorite class so far?
When he was with
I don't really have a specifically favorite class. I just have favorite tractors.
Then what's your favorite tractor that's been here?
Probably Red Resurrection, one of them.
Classic.
I really like the Oliver ones. They're amazing.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, hey, heck yeah, let's get going.
Renegade out. 2,500 horsepower. What do you mean? Nobody gave you 25 horsepower when you were 16? They only wanted me to have 25 horsepower.
tractor pull?
Yeah, I did. It was a fun time. Had a fun time with you guys. Got to see some cool pulls out there, you know.
Yep.
If you guys haven't, you should go see the tractor pull this summer, especially ECI. They do such a good job there.
Yep. Oh, here goes one of them out now.
Look at that beautiful farm all
Yeah.
right there. All green. We don't like, or all red. We don't
All
like.
right, we like the red around
green
here.
out
You can tell by the hats.
Down
Yep.
here.
All right, ready to get some sleep?
Oh heck yeah, I am. I am gonna go
We're all
to sleep.
tight.
I'll see you boys.
See ya.
Hey everybody, real quick before I click off this video, I just want to say thank you for watching the whole entire video. If you made it this far, please click like, subscribe, all that stuff down there. You know what to do. You know what to do. Also comment. I love reading your guys' comments. Real quick, I am greatly sorry I've not posted anything in the last 2 months. Life has been just crazy. So many things have happened in the last 2 months. But I want to let you guys know I'm organizing 2 big events this year. Tractor driving contest and Ag Olympics. And those 2 events are going to be really fun. You should go do them. Go to the Buchanan County Facebook page for more information. But if you want to show your Ag Olympic pride and show up in like the coolest attire ever, this year we are selling Ag Olympic t-shirts right here. They are super cool, super awesome. Designed by one of my 4-H leaders in my group, Angie Thomas. She did a phenomenal job with them. But the store is live right now when this video is getting uploaded. So click the link down in the description and the comments down below, and it'll take you right there. You can buy a shirt, no hassle. You'll get it on the day of the actual Ag Olympics. However, just a fair warning, the store closes on July 7th, and we are not extending that date. So once that date's done, you're not getting a 2024 Ag Olympic shirt ever again. So make sure to get your cool Ag Olympic shirt. Thanks again for watching, guys. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.